All right, guys, welcome back to another video. It's your man Jay. So we've got three cases here from Poetic. We got the Revolution series, the Spartan series, and the Guardian series, and it's all for the Samsung Galaxy A52. So let's crack them open one by one, try them on, and we'll see how we like it. So obviously this is for the 4G and the 5G version here. So they have that specifically put on there. They actually have a video also if you just want to, if you can't figure this out. So that's for the real basic consumers, and I appreciate them doing that. Me, I'm going in. I'm going in. This isn't my first experience with them. Already off the rip, I like that they took out the screen protector. Anybody been rock with them long enough to remember when they was putting screen protectors in here? Remember that? Yeah. They give you a cleaning kit. You know what I'm saying? Oh, they got the, okay, so they're still doing the double option, which is pretty cool. All right, okay. I remember when they first started doing the double option too, they putting both frames in there. So if you have a tempered glass, then you don't have to worry about taking it off. So we're gonna put the A52 in here. Goes in like that. Got a nice little thing on the back right there. The only thing about those screen protectors, man, they're kind of lame. We keep 100, which they're not the best, man. They are not the best. So right here, you know, the Guardian series is one that most people really enjoy. And again, I do like that they put this in here. You know what I'm saying? I do like that they put this in here because it gives you both options. It's like getting two cases, you know what I mean? But here it is. Lots of lip protection. This is for drop protection for the world right here. This has got some serious drop protection. You got corner protection, everything. Front screen is on there. If I had a tempered glass on here, this has a screen protector on already though. But if I had a screen protector on here, it will be good with this case because they did the frame. And let's peel this off. You got your ports right here. Because this phone does have a headphone jack. And you can see the beautiful color. This is how it goes down. Camera's got a nice little recess on it now, so it's good. Power button works good. Volume worker works good. Let's do it. All right, let's get the next case on here. I like this. I like this. Always go bottom first, man. Go in like this when you're putting these cases on. There's a video for it though, but after you do it for a while, you'll know to go bottom first. So next we have the Spartan series. When the Spartan series first dropped, man, I was like, whoa, they trying to do something big over here. I was so used to some of the Guardian, I think it was. All right. And a lot of these frames, all these frames right here are interchangeable. You don't have to, you can mix and match. If you were to buy different colors and stuff like that, you can mix and match them. And I think that's a huge plus too. All right, let's get this done one over here. Spartan series. Again, they give you both frames, so take note of that. We're just gonna peel this one out. You probably like, Jay, what's the difference? Well, now you see the difference. Spartan joint comes with a kickstand and everything else. It's really nice. These backs are interchangeable too, man, pretty much, because it's the same frame. This is dopeness right here. This is really crazy right here. I like how this looks in the gray. So it's got the kickstand. Watch a movie. Talk on the phone. Watch a video. You know, video chat. Anything. Put it up like that. Bars. You can see the kickstand got the little Poetic logo on the inside too. Now that's attention to detail right there. Got the Poetic inside of there. This has like a texture to it. And this is just a grippy case. Along with the ports, same thing as the other case. Nice and snug. You got your lip protection too. So you're good to go. Drop protection at its fullest, folks. So you're wondering what the difference was. Here's your difference. These are completely two different. Now, you already know what the Revolution series looks like. But we're going to put that on too. Because I think that's the one that was the revolutionary case that took them to another level. Yes, I tried. I tried that for real. I tried that. I just did that. Yes. All right. So we'll put this on here. And now, let's get to the Revolution. This is one that people saw and, you know, they bought it. And I'm putting on each frame here because I know you could say, well, Jay, you could put the same frame on. I could, but I want to give you the full effect as though You were the one opening your brand new case. You just got your brand new A52. And you ready. All right. So we'll peel this off. Remember, they went up to boss status by giving you both options. A lot of companies won't do that. They won't give you the screen protector and the frame. They just won't do it. So let's put this on. Remember, bottom first. It's easier that way. Push it in. All the ports. Ports right there. Put your fingerprint reader on there. Turn this on. This case is a rugged. All of these are rugged cases. Let me just show you. Boom. This is the Revolution series. I know you remember this from way back in the day. Watch a movie. Chat. No, here's the video chat version right there. Yeah. And again, you got the Poetic branding right inside of there. Really nice. This black one is really dope. I think I'll leave this one on just because of the color combination, that's all. Again, lip protection. Got all your cutouts and the speaker ports. Everything is all there. This is nice. So if we line them up here, man, and we look at what Poetic has done here for us, they've created a gold mine. They've given us greatness. Greatness awaits. Yeah, yeah. No, but this is the Revolution, the Guardian, and the Spartan series. I think you'll be pretty happy with these overall. So I hope you enjoyed the video, and I'll see you in the next one. To the point. Take care.